You love. It's not for me to say. You love.
Hey nail fam, back again with a very quick video. So yesterday we did unbox this package from Kredioo, which was a nail glue and nail tips kit. So I wanted to definitely do a follow-up video to that unboxing and use the tips that actually came in this kit. So these are on the shorter side. I believe these would be medium cotton, and they have a really nice curvature to it. It's thin to the base of the nail and very much stronger to the tip of the nail. So what I'm going to do to apply these nails is I'm going to take my Melody Susie drill and just file around that cuticle area so that when I apply it to my nail, it's going to look really flush to the nail. Once I'm done filing around that area, I'm going to take the dehydrator that comes in this kit and I'm going to apply it to the inside base area of this nail. This is going to give it a little bit of chemical etching so that when I apply the nail glue to this nail, it'll attach to the nail as well as my nail and prevent any lifting. So here is the nail glue that came in this kit. It's a really nice thick consistency, and for persons like myself that have a flatter nail bed, I think having a nice thick nail glue is definitely going to fill in some of the space that sometimes some of these curved nail tips do have. What I will say about this curved nail tips, it looks like it has a high apex, but it actually isn't that high of an apex. And I just like that it has a natural curve to this nail. Once I applied this nail tip to my nail, it just hugged my nails really well. And this little UV lamp is strong enough that it was flash curing in like 5 to 10 seconds. So it worked really well. I did get a little bit of air bubble, but I think that may have been me applying the product to the nail, or because that area of my nail probably has a little dip. I do have an uneven nail bed. So I'm going to go ahead and finish applying all of the remaining nail tips to my nail with the nail glue and flash curing them for 10 to 15 seconds. And then I give them a full cure under my UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now I'm going to clip these down just a little bit because I want my nails to be more on the square side versus the coffin size. So I'm just going to take my little cutter here and just clip off the ends. And once I'm satisfied with the length, then I'm going to take my 180 file around the edges of the nail and give it a quick buff before we move on to applying some gel polish. Alright, so now we are ready to apply some gel polish, and I'm going to go in with this beautiful color here. It's called Daydream from Madam Glam. I'm not applying any base gel because because this nail is already curved. I don't want to bulk it up too much by adding so many different layers to this nail because I'm still going to have to add top gel to this as well. And also, I don't keep my nails on that long, so this is okay for me. So I'm just going to go in with the gel polish here from Madam Glam all over the nails. Then I'm going to cure it for 30 to 45 seconds under my UV lamp. Here's how the nails are looking once they have been cured. So I did receive these 5 gel polishes from GlowTips Official. I have purchased their gel polish before, and I have swatched these already. I did do a quick video on Instagram, I believe, and I also posted it here on my YouTube channel of me, just taking a quick swatch of these beautiful colors that they just recently launched. This is a part of their Sweet Ecstasy gel polish collection. I'm not affiliated with GlowTips Official. I absolutely love the consistency of their products. My nail sister, MAMADOESNAILZ, is an affiliate or brand ambassador, and she does have a code, so I will have that down in the description box if you are interested. Highly recommend these gel polishes. They are just highly pigmented, nice thickness to them, and they go on so smooth and so creamy. Now back to the design that I'm doing on my finger. Like this is very abstract. This is very random. So I'm just doing like another wavy French that I usually do. I'm going to use each of the colors on a different nail and just do a wavy side French. And then we're just going to add like a little butterfly sticker and a single rhinestone to the center of the nail. Just a quick short nail set. So once I have all of the butterflies applied to the nail, then I'm going to go in with some top gel. I'm using the Madam Glam top gel. And before I cure them, I am going to be putting on a single rhinestone. And I'm choosing colors that are kind of close to the gel polishes that I have on the nail. Here's how the nails turned out. I thought these were super cute, super elegant, and I feel like these nail tips are going to last for a while. But I do have a peel-off base coat underneath these nails, so I'm going to probably pop these back off. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.